make sure your connection is tight. Okay. So after the key, we now have our batteries in that order. The long bar represents the positive terminal, while the short bar represents the negative terminal. Okay. So in that order. Then you have your rheostat. Connect one on this end.
Must be a child. Move. Yeah, it's a stereo.
That's you. Like passing the block. Record Mr. Emeka.
Is he actually recording the cutting wire?
Yes, don't you want to know how to cut wire?
You're not serious. So you connect the next one to the second terminal down here. So this is for the rheostat. From the rheostat, we have the solenoid. Please, how we call the solenoid?
Now you're blocking me.
You can see the coils. Those are the coils on top. But we have to place our what? Our soft iron in. Then these are the terminals.
The name is an iron. It's made of iron.
Note that the quantity of electricity you pass through the solenoid will determine how strong your magnet is going to be. Okay, so you know in this case we are using a battery that is not that too strong, and the potential difference, the EMF of the battery is not high enough. So our magnet definitely is not going to be that strong, but definitely to be a magnet, a temporary magnet. Yes, but you have to use an inverter, something that can convert a DC to an AC to a DC. Because you know it can easily, if you want to use this now with the normal light we have here, so but when you have an inverter, it will convert it so that at the point that it's more short. This is direct current, like what you have here now is direct current. Yes, this is alternating current. Okay, so wires. And if you like, you can also connect an ammeter to this circuit if you want. That ammeter is just to show if the current is actually in the right direction, okay? To indicate the flow of current. Ammeter is used in measuring current. System I use in measuring current. Okay, so that goes to the key. Okay, so and this way. Now we need you to hold this for me. Hold it like this. Come and hold this for me like this. You're supposed to use a battery racket. The battery racket I have here is to not size 4 batteries. So now the rheostat, before that you have to fix in your key so that current will start flowing.
Bro, stop now.
Let me change the key because this key is slack. This key is slack. I can test if current is actually flowing in the circuit. Hold it, let me get an ammeter.
Okay.
Failure is the one that said it.
Record me. Record is 210.
Director, I can call him Ifeoluwa Bole. SS2.
Yeah, where you recording me?
So there will be a positive deflection if current is actually flowing in the circuit in the right direction.
Someone should be writing down. Let me record them.
Don't shake your hand, please.
You have for presidency and lost. Then you take my name in second.
I hope someone is writing the minutes and taking the attendance.
2 books are missing.
People are not serious.
I take our attendance so we can leave.
So if they ask you now to come and give account or give record of what you've done,
Sir,
as
they
you
have
are
not-
about to graduate, so that you hand over properly, you don't have anything to hand over.
So I have to tell you for no worry.
It's not all about I've taught you before. I need the attendance and the word and the minutes. I need to submit it to Mr. Paulo. Simple.
I don't think I was around.
Check if current is actually flowing.
What is that?
We don't have clothes. Clothes they use it to make tissue paper.
So you see that the current flowing is small. Janina, can you adjust the rheostat? This is where you adjust it here. Move it this way. Small, gradually. Let's see if the current will increase.
Like this.
Yes, adjust. No, forward, forward.